I'm Lauren and I am so excited about this product that I got in the mail. So I'm a mom of 2 kids. I have a 3.5-year-old and a 1.5-year-old, and I do want a third eventually. So how am I just finding out that this product exists? I don't know. I'm kind of sad, but I'm very excited that I have it now because bottle washing is literally the bane of my existence. I hate washing bottles. I've resorted to washing them in the dishwasher and it just doesn't do. I'm going to show you an example. It does not get all the milk out. It leaves a residue. I'm so excited for this, and it's also not that sanitary to dishwash them, but when you're a mom of 2, you need convenience. So I'm so excited about this product. Ah! Okay, so let's open it together. So we're gonna open it up. I think we have to rip this. It's a little loud. That's very sturdy. Okay. Comes with a little instruction manual, as per usual. Definitely gonna need to read this to find out how this works. We also have some Momcozy detergent tablets. I did see online after researching this that you only use these. You don't want to use like normal dish liquid. You only use the Momcozy tabs that they give you or that you buy. Okay. Ooh, okay. Oh wow, that was easy. Ah, okay. So, this is a very pretty product too. All right, I'm gonna read the box for you. It says, on this side, it has like some key info. It says one-stop solution for washing, sterilizing, and drying bottles, pump parts, and sippy cup. It says it effectively eliminates 99.9% of germs using steam within a short period. It also says dries comprehensively and safely with hot air purified by a hospital-grade HEPA filter. That is so amazing. So you can use your pump parts. So like for future reference, whenever I have another kid, if I pump, because that's what I am an exclusive pumper, I can wash them in this. So that's gonna save me so much time, and it's literally gonna help me be sane. I cannot believe I'm so late to this game. How did I not know about this product? Okay. Open her up. I love how it's already like all together. So that's really good. Wow, this is beautiful. She's so pretty. Okay, so let's get this out the way. Okay, this is what she looks like if you were to keep her on your counter, which we will. So it has this. Oh wait, they're all taped. Smart. Okay. Okay, so it has this lid, comes off, this comes off, and then inside is the bottle washer. It also has this water carton. This is the water dispenser. Duh, of course it's taped. All right. This is awesome. I love that this is the water dispenser and you don't have to have it plugged up to a water supply, because a lot of people can't have a water supply attached to something. So this is perfect. You just put your water in here. After watching videos about this product, I see that this is the drain hose. So once the water is done in here, it's gonna drain. So you do want this near your sink. That way it can drain the water. But that's not a big deal at all. And the power cord. So that is a very easy and user-friendly setup. You have all of the pieces. This is all that it is. That's amazing. I'm gonna read some key features about this Momcozy Bottle Washer. So I'm gonna pull up my phone and I'm gonna read some details that are just amazing. So number 1, it's the ultimate time-saving and cleaning solution. So it says that it automatically washes, sterilizes, and dries baby bottles, pump parts, baby tableware, and more. So you can spend precious time with your family not washing bottles. Yes, I can't help it. I am so mad that I'm so late to the game because I'm so excited about this. This is literally going to change my whole game. So number 2, there are 26 powerful spray jets for thorough cleaning. So like, you should not have any residue in the bottles. Very excited to see how it is because in my dishwasher, I have residue. So this is gonna be so good if they don't leave any residue. Number 3 is it's wearable pump part safe, which is so amazing because I'm an exclusive pumper whenever I have kids. And washing pump parts is the least favorite part about pumping. It's just so, you have to do it every 3 hours. So it's so much work. So this is gonna be so nice to have for my future kid to clean my pump parts. Number 4 is it has 9 cleaning modes. So you can choose from. So if you want to do the rapid wash, normal wash, if you need a quick wash mode, which sometimes your bottles are not that dirty and you just need to hurry up and quick wash them, that cycle cleans your bottles in 19 minutes. So you know how the dishwasher takes like 160 minutes? You can have bottles done in 19 minutes. Oh my gosh, can I get a hallelujah? That's amazing. All right, the next amazing point is that it's an effective steam sterilizer. So it creates a safe and hygienic feeding environment for your baby's health, which is so key because you always hear that a dishwasher is not sanitary, but you just gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. So I'm so glad I have this because I have been using the dishwasher. After a certain point, when they reach like 8 months old, I felt like it was fine to put the bottles in the dishwasher. So now we have this, no more problems. The next point is that it's sterile and odorless storage. So you can keep your bottles in here for up to 72 hours after they're done washing, and it's not gonna be a breeding ground for bacteria. So that's really good to know because sometimes you just don't get to them right away to unload. So that's a really good feature that you didn't know you needed, but you need. All right, the next point is that it's secure and guaranteed. Each baby bottle washer comes with a 1-year warranty, and it includes 60 Momcozy Bottle Washer tablets. The last key feature is that it's compact and countertop friendly. It takes up minimal space. It's about the size of a toaster, a pretty large toaster, but yeah, like it is about the size of that, you know, it takes up that much room. And it only weighs 12 pounds, so you can easily fit it on any counter without the bulk. Perfect for small spaces, apartments, or already crowded baby stations. Ah, y'all, I am so happy. I cannot wait to use this. I'm gonna set it up right now and I'm gonna give you a review because this is necessary for me. Honestly, I don't know how I did 2 kids without having this. So if you're a mom to be and you need something for your baby registry, I would say put this on it, and I haven't even used it yet, but I'm just gonna trust that this is gonna be as good as it says it is. Let's go. Okay, the cycle is done. The bottles are completely dry. There is not a drop of water in these bottles, which is really, really good. I'm very impressed with it. The bottles are very clean. There's no milk residue. I am so excited about this, y'all. This literally is going to change the bottle game for me. I'm so excited. Thank you, Momcozy.